Welcome to Business Decoded, where we break down how companies really make money. Let's decode today's business model. Harvey AI makes millions helping law firms replace junior associates with artificial intelligence. The AI legal assistant researches cases, drafts contracts, and analyzes documents faster than human lawyers. Big law firms pay hundreds of thousands per year for Harvey subscriptions. Junior lawyers lose billable hours. Partners increase profit margins. Harvey is making entry-level legal careers obsolete. The technology is impressive and improving fast. Harvey uses GPT-4 fine-tuned specifically on legal documents and case law. It understands legal terminology, precedents, and jurisdiction-specific nuances. Law firms report associates using Harvey are 3 to 5 times more productive. Work that took a junior lawyer 20 hours takes 4 hours with Harvey. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Harvey disrupts the legal profession, why law firms are both customers and enablers of legal job destruction, and whether human lawyers survive or become unnecessary. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only, not legal or career advice. Company references are from public sources for educational commentary. Trademarks belong to their owners. Consult qualified professionals before making decisions. Here's how Harvey is replacing lawyers. Harvey launched in 2022 as AI legal assistant built on OpenAI's GPT-4 with additional training on legal documents. The founders were lawyers who experienced tedious legal research firsthand. They knew junior associate work was repetitive, time-consuming, and automatable. Harvey performs several key legal tasks: legal research across case law and statutes, contract drafting and review, document analysis for due diligence, regulatory compliance research, memo drafting, discovery document review. These tasks traditionally consumed 60 to 80% of junior associate time. Major law firms adopted Harvey rapidly. Allen Overy was first major adopter in 2023. PricewaterhouseCoopers signed enterprise deal covering thousands of lawyers globally. Within 2 years, Harvey had dozens of large law firm clients and hundreds of thousands of users. The business model is enterprise SaaS. Law firms pay annual subscriptions based on number of lawyers using the platform. Pricing typically ranges from $500 to $2,000 per lawyer annually depending on firm size and usage. For firms with 500 lawyers, that's $500,000 to $1 million per year. Harvey's revenue is estimated at $30 to $50 million annually and growing rapidly. The total addressable market is enormous. There are over 1 million lawyers in United States alone. Global legal services market exceeds $800 billion annually. Even small penetration represents billions in potential revenue. The value proposition for law firms is brutal economics. Junior associates cost law firms $150,000 to $250,000 per year in salary, benefits, and overhead. They bill clients at $300 to $500 per hour. The spread between cost and revenue is profit. But junior associates are inefficient. They spend hours researching basic legal questions, drafting routine documents, reviewing contracts line by line. Experienced partners must review their work and fix mistakes. The economics work only because clients pay premium rates. Harvey changes the math completely. For $1,000 per lawyer per year, associates become 3 to 5 times more productive. Work that required 5 junior associates now requires 1 associate plus Harvey. Law firms reduce headcount while maintaining billable output. The human cost is devastating for aspiring lawyers. Law schools graduate 40,000 new JDs annually. Most expect to work as associates at firms for 3 to 5 years, learning the profession while billing clients at high rates. This apprenticeship model is how junior lawyers become competent mid-level and senior attorneys. Harvey automates that apprenticeship layer. Partners using Harvey don't need as many junior associates. They can supervise fewer humans doing more work with AI assistants. Entry-level hiring drops. Law students with expensive degrees and massive student debt face brutal job market. For current junior associates, Harvey creates impossible productivity pressure. Previously, billing 2,000 hours annually was standard. With Harvey, partners expect 3,000 billable hours because AI makes you more productive. Junior lawyers work longer hours to hit targets or get replaced by colleagues who use AI better. The catch-22 for aspiring lawyers mirrors other professions hit by AI. Can't get job without experience. Can't get experience without job. Junior associate roles provided that experience. Now those roles are disappearing or requiring AI-enhanced productivity impossible for beginners to achieve. For experienced lawyers, Harvey is productivity paradise. Research that took hours takes minutes. Draft contracts in fraction of the time. Review documents exponentially faster. Focus on high-value strategic work instead of tedious tasks. Job security increases because productivity is so high. Harvey also has regulatory and accuracy risks. AI occasionally makes mistakes called hallucinations where it fabricates case citations or misinterprets statutes. Lawyers relying on Harvey without verification risk malpractice. Several high-profile cases involved lawyers submitting AI-generated briefs with fake citations that never existed. Bar associations and regulators are struggling to address AI in legal practice. Is using AI to draft contracts unauthorized practice of law? Who is liable when AI gives wrong legal advice? Can clients be billed at full lawyer rates for work AI performed? These questions remain mostly unresolved. Law firms are navigating these issues carefully. Most require lawyers to review all Harvey output before submission. They're not replacing lawyers entirely, just making each lawyer more productive. But the long-term trajectory is clear. Fewer lawyers needed for same workload. Harvey faces competition from other legal AI tools. LexisNexis and Westlaw, the dominant legal research platforms, are adding AI features. Thomson Reuters launched AI Legal Assistant. Multiple startups are building competing products. The underlying technology is not uniquely defensible. Harvey's advantage is being first mover with big law firm relationships. Legal industry moves slowly and values established relationships. Switching costs are meaningful once workflows integrate Harvey. But technological moat is narrow. Competitors will match capabilities. The existential threat is legal research platforms bundling AI free. LexisNexis and Westlaw already have relationships with every law firm. They could integrate comparable AI at no additional cost, making Harvey's standalone business model obsolete. Law firms might not pay separately for AI when research subscriptions include it. The bull case is Harvey becomes essential infrastructure for all legal work globally. Expands beyond research into full practice management. Successfully defends against bundled competition through superior product. Revenue grows to billions. Major IPO or acquisition by legal tech giant. The bear case is legal research incumbents bundle comparable AI free. Harvey loses product differentiation as AI becomes table stakes. Can't sustain standalone business. Revenue growth stalls. Company fails or sells at disappointing valuation. For the legal profession, Harvey represents unavoidable automation. Partners maximize profits using AI. Junior lawyers face impossible productivity expectations or job loss. Law schools keep graduating students into shrinking entry-level market. The traditional path to legal career is breaking. Whether this creates better legal services for clients is debatable. AI makes legal work faster and cheaper. But it also reduces learning opportunities for junior lawyers who need experience to develop judgment. Over time, fewer lawyers gain expertise needed to become competent senior attorneys. Now, next time on Business Decoded, we're examining Midjourney. No investors, no office, no employees, somehow printing money from AI art. Harvey AI makes millions replacing junior legal work with AI. Uses GPT-4 fine-tuned on legal documents. Law firms pay $500 to $2,000 per lawyer annually. Major firms like Allen Overy and PwC adopted. Associates 3 to 5 times more productive with Harvey. Work requiring 5 juniors now needs 1 associate plus AI. Entry-level legal jobs disappearing. Law schools graduate 40,000 JDs annually into shrinking market. For experienced lawyers, Harvey increases productivity and job security. For aspiring lawyers, creates impossible catch-22. Competition from LexisNexis and Westlaw adding AI features. Risk as legal research platforms bundle AI free, eliminating standalone business model. Either becomes essential legal infrastructure or gets commoditized by incumbents. Legal profession automating entry-level work faster than any knowledge profession. And that's how they built it. If this helped you understand business better, subscribe for weekly deep dives into the world's most successful companies. Thanks for watching.